everyone, this is SparkX Steel Group, 江苏新火特钢集团. Today we are going to take you on an immersive tour of a national high-tech enterprise with over 30 years experience in special steel. Let's go inside. SparkX Steel was founded in 1991. We now own 3 production bases with a total area of more than 80,000 square meters. The factory we are visiting today is our Phase 3 plant, which is our core base for special alloy products. Our Phase 3 plant has been operating for more than 20 years with around 350 skilled workers. Here are our smelting area, high-speed rolling area, Xinyan building, and office building. We obtained ISO 9001 quality certificate from TUV audit as early as 2003 and subsequently obtained ISO 14001, ISO 45001, ISO 50001, and IATF 16949 for automotive applications. We use a short process green production route with over 95% recycled scrap steel. This is our 1.5 vacuum induction melting furnace. It melts materials under vacuum, ensures precise chemical composition, and provides high-purity molten steel for nickel-based alloys, stainless steels, and superalloys. This is our 10-ton AOD converter for decarburization, desulfurization, and the precise alloy adjustment. This is our medium-frequency induction furnace. It provides fast, energy-efficient, and controlled melting for high-quality metal production. This is our 10-ton electric slag remelting furnace. It further removes impurities, improves homogeneity, and produces ultra-clean, high-density ingots for critical applications. To save cost and energy, we mainly run smelting at night. This is our high-speed road rolling line, originally put into production in 2007 and upgraded in 2018. It uses Morgan rolling technology and Siemens automation system for production. Here we produce precision wires. We have continuous joining machines, bare annealing furnaces, hydrogen-protected annealing furnaces, so we can stably produce stainless steel wires and high-temperature alloy wires. This is our cold finishing section for high-precision profiles. Through cold joining, peeling, straightening, polishing, and shot blasting, we greatly improve surface quality and dimensional accuracy. This is our final inspection and packaging area. Every finished product must go through strict checks, including dimensional measurement, surface quality inspection, and fixed length cutting. We use professional export packaging, anti-rust paper, moisture-proof bags, woven bags, and wooden cases to protect products from rust, damage, and deformation during long-distance sea and land transportation. Each coil and bar is clearly labeled with grade, batch number, grade, size, heat number, and traceability code. Now we enter our Xinyan test building, our quality guardian. It's an independent TUV-certified laboratory that can issue EN 10204 3.1 material test certificates. We have German spectrometer for chemical composition, universal tensile testers for mechanical properties, salt spray test chambers for corrosion resistance, metallographic microscopes, gas analyzers, and more. SparkX Steel is a national high-tech enterprise and a national intellectual property advantage enterprise. We hold 146 national patents, including 35 invention patents. We have drafted and revised 6 national standards and 5 industrial standards. For more than 30 years, we have built our reputation on quality, technology, and trust. From R&D and production to quality control and service, SparkX Steel is your reliable partner for stainless steels, high-temperature alloys, precision alloys, and special steel profiles. If you are looking for a stable and professional supplier, welcome to visit our factory and discuss cooperation. Thank you.